Hi, my name is Katie Desmond, and I'm interviewing Mike Desmond, Vice President of Hendrick Automotive Group. So, Mike, tell us about your job.
What would you like to know?
Well, I would like to know what kind of math you use in your job.
Well, we use all kinds of math. We use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we use percentages quite a bit.
And that's what we're learning right now in math. So, tell us about how do you use the percentages?
We use percentages for most of the operations in all the companies. We percentages really are used to compare different departments or entities, dealerships. We use it to compare people on the team, producers, sales consultants. In order to rank people, we use percentages of accomplishments. We also use percentages to compare dealerships, one dealership to another dealership. It's very important to see how this dealership performs as a percent of performance last year. So we year-over-year comparisons also. But percentages are very, very important in our daily business. If you can't do percentages, it would make the job very difficult.
So, tell us about how's your order of selling cars and like what your goals are for each month and
Well, I will tell you how math has a lot to do with selling cars. Somebody could come in and say, I want to buy that car for $12,000, and you have to figure out, well, if they want to buy it for $12,000, you have to back into it and figure out what the sales tax would be, because you have to come up to a bottom line $12,000. So you got to literally divide to figure out exactly what the sales price should be in order to include sales tax. So you use division. You also use percentages to calculate sales tax. So there's, again, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are very, very important aspects of any business, really. Without math, it would be very hard. It would be impossible to figure out if you had a profit or a loss in any company or entity. So math is crucial to success.
so can you show us some of maybe some of the papers that show examples of the percentages
Sure.
and
Yeah. If you want to come over here, I can show you a couple things. You can look at them. We've got right here, if you look, this is a day supply calculator, and this is from Chrysler, and this is for all the dealerships in the Southeast region, and this shows it calculates 30-day sales. Daily sales rate is 8.2 vehicles a day, total available vehicles, and then it shows days supply. So that means if you sold 761 cars in 30 days, you sell 8 a day. Total available, you have 1,300 cars on the ground at the dealership, and that means you have a 160-day supply of vehicles. So those calculations are very important for somebody in business to calculate how much money he has to invest in inventory in order to be successful. Now that's one. Now, I will show you, here's another one. This is a production versus sales chart, and it shows you how many cars, vehicles they are producing each month during the year, and it also shows you the sales. So the sales is this line right here, and the production is the higher line.